U.S. Department of Transportation logo, Federal Highway Administration.
Aerial view of the Turner-Fairbank Highway Research Center campus.
On October 30, 2023, United States Department of Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg visited the Turner-Fairbank Highway Research Center to lead the ribbon cutting on a state-of-the-art pavement testing facility, or PTF. The advanced technology at the PTF will allow researchers to study multiple pavement subgrades simultaneously.
Digital illustration of a pavement testing machine showing a stationary mechanical bed placed outdoors,
as large machines simulate years of use over just months.
A wheel under the bed moves back and forth scanning the pavement.
Hundreds of tiny sensors buried under the surface relay information to researchers.
Live view of the pavement testing machine.
The results that come from these studies will yield significant improvements in road surfaces. Turner-Fairbank staff and Federal Highway Administration, or FHWA, officials came out to participate in this exciting event and witness the ribbon-cutting ceremony. Dr. Kelly Riegel, the Associate Administrator for Research, Development, and Technology and Director of Turner-Fairbank, provided opening remarks on the novel research being conducted at the PTF.
Innovation is what we're all about here at Turner-Fairbank, and that's what brings us here today, is to really showcase our latest innovation project, the Next Generation Pavement Test Facility. Our partners...
Secretary Buttigieg, guest of honor at the event, noted the significance of the PTF and the scope of the research being conducted at Turner-Fairbank.
Whether you were involved in pavement durability, which happens to be my own love language, or whether you were involved in any of the research that goes on here to make sure that people who won't even know this facility exists live safer, cleaner, and more economically sustainable lives.
In addition to officially cutting the ribbon, the Secretary took a tour of some of Turner-Fairbank's innovative laboratories. In the PTF, researchers gave Secretary Buttigieg an overview of the research that will be conducted and how the data will be collected and shared. Next, Secretary Buttigieg toured the Mobile Asphalt Technology Center and Mobile Concrete Technology Center, where he was given a synopsis on how FHWA deploys to states to help them improve road conditions. Secretary Buttigieg then toured the structures laboratory to see how researchers at Turner-Fairbank develop and test bridge designs, materials, and construction processes that promise safer and more efficient structures on the nation's highway system. Next was the J. Sterling Jones Hydraulics Research Laboratory, which is responsible for researching the impacts of flooding on highway infrastructure and studying solutions to better manage water-related hazards on roadways using physical and computer modeling. Secretary Buttigieg then visited the Safety and Operations Garage at the Saxton Transportation Operations Laboratory, or STOL. STOL enables FHWA to conceptualize, validate, and refine innovative transportation services and technologies prior to larger-scale development and implementation. Secretary Buttigieg finished his tour at the Federal Outdoor Impact Laboratory, where he witnessed a crash test, a favorite for visitors and staff at Turner-Fairbank.
A flatbed test truck, viewed from various angles, crashes into 3 cylindrical metal barriers.
Researchers use this safety facility to extend their understanding of crash events and dynamic loading that occur during impacts and to generate data to formulate mathematical models and confirm the accuracy of computer-generated crash predictions. By the conclusion of his visit, Secretary Buttigieg had helped launch Turner-Fairbank's new innovative facility and heard about just some of the cutting-edge research conducted on-site. If you're interested in learning more about Turner-Fairbank Highway Research Center, visit our website at highways.dot.gov/research.
U.S. Department of Transportation, Federal Highway Administration.
Learn more at www.fhwa.dot.gov. Follow the Federal Highway Administration on Facebook, Instagram, Flickr, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. The U.S. government does not endorse products or manufacturers. Trademarks or manufacturers' names appear in this video because they are considered essential to the objective of the video. They are included for informational purposes only and are not intended to reflect a preference, approval, or endorsement of any one product or entity. Except for any statutes and regulations cited, the contents of this video do not have the force and effect of law and are not meant to bind the public in any way. This video is intended only to provide information to the public regarding existing requirements under the law or agency's policies.